Good fucking morning, one and all. Have a great fucking day, like. I didn't know why I'm speaking in a fucking Geordie accent. I suppose I was listening to Sam Fender yesterday, and I fucking love their accents, as most of you already know. And it's a fucking great day now. There's mist, there's fog out, there's mist, whatever the fuck you call it, and nature looks fucking beautiful. So make sure you have a great day, each and every one of yous. There's a plane above me. Where the fuck's it gone? I can see it. I don't know if you can see that. It's covered in the fog. Hey, have a great day, yeah. Yeah. I've got up, I'm ready to start my day. I've made myself a brew. Well, actually, I've made myself a coffee. And it's really tasty, like. And I'm gonna get organising stuff today I need to do for an event I'm putting on in a month's time, a festival I'm putting on in Wales. And yeah, it's gonna be fucking great. Peace and love to all, eh? What I'm doing now is I'm grounding my feet, I'm grounding my feet. What's a Welsh accent, for no fucking reason, although they might have a bit of an eccentric weirdo. Get my toes in the grass. What it does, it creates more negative ions, which are great for the immune system, great for the body. It feels fucking fantastic. Nature is fucking beautiful. You can't beat it. Well, you look at that fucking the greenery. Oh, it's fucking medicinal, eh? But jokes aside, in my own accent. Have a great day. One and all. Peace and love to all.